Hey guys, and welcome back to Ready T Plus. So today I'm at this place called the Mohegan Sun in Connecticut. It's like a hotel, casino. It's like a giant town by itself, I think. So I'm here for a boat show, so I'm just gonna head in there and check out some boats. Come with me. Well, we are now at the Hartford Boat Show. Hey guys, it's super noisy. I don't know if I'm going to be able to talk while I'm recording, so I'll do what I can. But this one is alright. Pretty nice boat right here. Not bad.
Yo, this seat is comfy. I would not need one for myself.
Permission to burn, sir. All right.
Beautiful. Right on the back of all of them if you want.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. This is what, 64?
Yes, sir. For 24.
All right, so I was granted permission to come on this lake boat right here. Drawing a blank, but I'm like caught up with like looking at the boat and not like recording because I really love boats. But I'm going to show you around this one right here. So essentially, it's another one right here. So we have white or cream and sort of gray tone over here. It's for 85,000. 85,000 here. This one, I really like this color actually. Yeah, this color is sort of up my alley. Pretty sure it's more than 85. But yeah, this one is pretty nice. And then you have this, the first one that we boarded, this cream color right here. So 464 here. Of course you have the throttle here, pretty standard stuff, what you'd see. 115 horsepower engine. A Mercury single engine on this one. 115. I think they're all 115. Oh no, this is 150. So that's the, you know, the engine power, how many horses. And for the most part, these boats are more for chilling out, relaxing at a boathouse or whatever. Not for necessarily out at sea, more for lakes. It's pretty nice though.
Fish finder?
Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I'm neglecting you. But I'm caught up with looking at all these cool boats all around here. So this one right here, this will pull you a cool 156, pretty much 157,000 for this one here.
That's not what you wanted.
So,
Whoa, hey. Weren't you just up on that other? I think you're shopping for someone else.
maybe
Did you get all of it?
by walking.
You're shopping for someone else. You like this one? Oh.
We
thought you came with the boat over there. We
Oh, I see.
buy it, like, you know.
No.
We get that handsome man too.
Thank you. All right, so this lady was just flirting. Very weird. But anyway, so this boat, let me see how many horsepower. This is 350. Yeah, this one goes pretty fast. So I'm guessing this goes, you can go salt water as well as fresh water. Sorry. You can go salt water, you can go fresh water on this one here. But yeah, so these are the lake boats. So down here on the bottom, the thing with these, they call them pontoon boats, right? So they're pontoon boats because these cylinders, the round cylinders you see, right, they help with the buoyancy on the lake, right? If you notice on these boats here, you don't see any cylinders because they're not pontoon boats. Essentially, you can go out at sea, and because of the cylinders on the bottom of the pontoon boats, you have to be mindful of the area that you are sailing in. So we're gonna board this boat here for 156. All right, so it looks like from the back. So yeah, this one even has like a charging station, charging area here, which is pretty cool, pretty modern. Steering feels pretty, pretty sturdy. The seat, not bad at all. Up front on the bow. Oh yeah, so the front of the boat is called the bow. The back of the boat is called a stern. That's just boat talk. Front, back, stern, bow. So right now we're on the bow. All right. Let's see. I thought you were waving to me.
Let's go on this one.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh, this is sold. Okay. So this boat is already sold, but I don't see why not. Why I can't, still come on board and check it out. Anyway, so this is one of the bigger boats. Hello. These boats here have what they call a head. So essentially, a head is a bathroom on a boat. So there's people in there right now, so I'm not gonna bother going in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for another big boat like this one and see if I can show you what the inside of the head looks like. Maybe I'll just wait until these guys get out. But yeah, it's pretty nice.
You gotta, when you go down there,
Yeah.
look this way. There's a bed right underneath here.
A bed right?
Yep.
Awesome.
Nice.
Let me check it out. Thanks. All right. So those guys are not workers. I think like when you go to boat shows on the water, I think they're more protective. But now we're just in a hotel pretty much. So it's not as cumbersome, I guess, for folks that allow us to move around on these boats, it seems. Anyway, so I'm down here on the lower area, and so we want to see what the head looks like. So here, so the head, not bad. Okay, this is pretty much what it looks like. This is how I fit. So the mirror right here. Hello. I've seen heads before on bigger boats that have a shower in addition to, oh, there you go. It's a shower head right here. So this head, in fact, facilitates that. There's also sleeping out here, which is nice.
So this,
Not bad at all for the owner. And while below deck, you can also look up and out.
you want to be stuck in your film?
It's all
You're
right.
going to be in your film. That's going to be the bed.
There's a bed right here.
I'm just open right now.
Oh, there we go, right there.
Oh, there we go. You can fit enough for a day or two here. Look at this. I love this little mini thing right here. Look at it.
Yeah, it's
Mini.
cute. It's
It's
very
so
cute.
cute. A little TV, enough place for the baby to sleep.
Hey, it's a boat.
It's a boat.
Let's go. It's a big garbage.
There's always going to be another one. Oh, yeah. You better believe it.
Okay.
I like that last step there.
Careful, careful as you go down, guys. All right, so I was super hot just now, to be honest. I was burning up in there. All right. It's a nice boat, but it's already sold. So check out these more pontoon boats. 48,000 for this one. All right, so here, as you go down the line, this one here, 59,000. This one as well. If you go further down, I guess this is the pontoon section. Another 59,000 here. This one over here seems to be sold for a cool 53,000. So yeah, these are like buying cars in some respects, and some are like buying houses.
Like, look how close these boats are together. Like, how did they get all these boats in this one location so close and packed, right? Look there. But they did.
So it's a tight squeeze. I'm pretty sure they got these boats together by being very, very careful and very, very strategic with the parking. But they made it happen. Oh yeah, we're indoors. We're not outside at all. Inside the Hartford Boat Show 2023. Oh yeah, by the way, before I leave this boat area here, what you're looking at right here are the boat's anchor. All right. So electronically, these get released and then go to the bottom of the sea when the boat needs to dock, or let's say you went out at sea to fish, you found a cool fishing area and drop the anchor, and basically you're supposed to back the boat up until the hook catches the surface of, let's say, rocks, if there's rocks down there, or just deep within the sand. So yeah, anyway, so this is the anchor at the front. Hey guys, I gotta tell you that being to boat shows, or like being, for me, you're like going to a mall where you see something, you like it, it's like, damn, I wish I was rich. This is a pretty nice boat. It even matches, you know, my white shirt, my, what do you call it, my fashion today. But it's a pretty nice boat. Garmin brand here, as you see. You can come in a little bit. So the Garmin brand, that's pretty much for navigation, right? It's pretty cool. I saw one earlier that I showed you guys that had, but that was a bigger boat. But that one had a charging port right next to the steering wheel, which is kind of cool. But this one doesn't. Take this off, have more stereo right here, Sirius right here, and charging port, USB charging port. They need to hire me if I'm selling this on my channel. Let me cover this back up if I can. Cool. So remember when I was talking about the fact that a lot of these boats are like house price? Check this one out. That's like a small condo somewhere. In other places, probably the 3-bedroom in certain states. But yeah, this boat here has a lot of storage space. So you have storage right here. Well, sorry, that's the ladder. Definitely up top here. We have storage back here. You also have storage down here. I'm not gonna open that because I already touched it, and I put some Lysol on my hand, but I touched it before. But you also have some storage up top here. Of course, you know, you have the throttle. You have a little sink, so when you catch your fish or whatever, you can sort of clean up here. So usually that's attached to like a freshwater reservoir below the boat that allows you to wash your hands and all that. So it's pretty good stuff. So I see a giant boat here. Let's see how much this one is.
Sleep in the boat.
I guess because of the size of this one, there's like a ton of people back there. Yeah, it's a lot of people waiting to get on that one. I'm just gonna make yet another
Middle left.
person waiting. Let's see.
That's beautiful.
So yeah, so there's like a line of people waiting to go on this thing. Yeah, that's not for me anyway. So this section here is for folks who are pretty much active, super active, as it relates to water sports. So these are pretty fast boats right here. Right. So what is this? 2023 Centurion. So if you want to go surfing, these are the boats for you. So you got a little surfboard, I guess it comes with it. Or maybe it's just for display, I don't know. But that's pretty cool. Another one over here. The speakers up top. So you have the speakers up here, 1, 2. I guess one on that side, one on this side. Let's go on board and see what happens. Yeah, man. So this displays like a game. speakers right here. Really pretty nice. I don't know if it comes with these, but if it does, it's pretty cool. I don't even want to ask what this price is, but I'm pretty sure it's not cheap. But it is beautiful. And like with most boats, they all have storage space. Man, this matches with my color and everything. Color is in my clothing, but it's a nice boat. Yeah guys, so thanks for watching Regency Plus today. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the Hartford Boat Show here in Connecticut. It's been a blast for me. I hope it was for you as well. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of the show instead of constantly thinking about making this video. So yeah, peace. Keep moving, my friends.